70 something, 60 something, 70 something percent of Nigerian parents don't have time for their children. Greeting, especially. This one goes to the parent. Some of the misfortune that many school leavers have now is from their parents. Why is it from parents? I want my son or my daughter to be a doctor. I want my son or daughter to work in the oil company. I want my son to be a lawyer. I want my son to be this. I want my son in this family. We don't have lawyers. We don't have this. We don't have that. At least one of my sons should be. And you now pinpoint one son. You don't even check to know his area of interest. That one is not important to you. What is important to you is having a doctor or having a nurse or having whatever profession that interests you. Even though you are a doctor or you are a lawyer, and you say, okay, as at least I should have a representation. I should have someone that will represent me when I am gone. And this boy or girl, you don't even get to know, what does he love? What does she like? You now say this is what you will be. Let me shock you that some of those parents are regretting now. I have seen a lady who read a particular course that the father imposed on her. On her final year, she stopped it. Imagine a grown-up child, maybe of 20-something years, going back to secondary school to plan how to write WAEC again in the area of her interest, going for lessons in preparation, going for evening classes in preparation for the kind of things she would like, so that she will now have admission and now go back again to school to study what she like. I have heard of some children, after writing the exams, signing out, they will now say, Daddy, this is what you asked me to go and read. I have read, this is the result, this is your own, it's not my own. They will now go back to what they love. Are you not surprised to see that some doctors, some lawyers, people that read law, read one professional course or read one courses, they are doing different things now, and those things is bringing them good results? Please don't force career on your children. Try and know what they like and see how to help them. It might not be the area you feel they should go, but they have their future to pursue. You have pursued their future. Maybe you have satisfaction in what you do. It's just like the kind of why we have some of these things in Nigeria, because people go into the area that they are not interested. You see a policeman telling you, I'm standing on the road because of you. You are not standing on the road because of me, because you love the job. If you do not love the job, you will not go and stand on the road. If I love to be a police and then to work for the police force, and then I have been employed, I should not complain doing that job. But you see somebody say, I'm standing on this road because of... You are not standing because if they sack you, you will cry. You even do... In fact, some of the policemen or some of the people, they do things to make sure that they remain in that place. But why are you complaining? If you are in teaching department, you are a teacher or whatever, let it be that you have that passion. Let it not because Nigeria, people go into things because there is no job opportunity. So the one that is available, they just do it, and they do it anyhow. That is why you see failures now in WAEC and in JAM. Why? If you go to like most of the school and you see the way things are going, and then maybe the day they are writing WAEC or NECO, go to some of those schools or some of those special centers, a child will come out with A's, with good result, but here, nothing there. So what am I saying? Encourage your child to go into the area of her interest, and that one will fetch her good result because she loves it, he loves it, he will do it, she will do it with passion. And even when the interest is not much at the beginning, she will still love it. But the one you force him, the one you force he or she to do, you may end up training grown-up children when you are supposed to rest. Every parent are happy to see their children growing up to stand on their own. No reasonable father or mother will be happy to still feeding a child of 20 something, 30 something. No father or mother will do that. Even when he or she is doing it, and you think he or she is happy as a father or mother, they are not happy. Because when they go and see other children doing well in their area of interest, and they come back home and see their child still depending on them, inside their mind they are crying. They may not cry physically for others to see. So help your children to go into the area of interest they will decide they love. Find out from them, what do you like? Know what they like to do in the house. I know, because of let me struggle, give my children the best in life. Most parents don't even have time for their children. Most parents. In fact, 70 something, 60 something, 70 something percent of Nigerian parents don't have time for their children. Imagine a mother leaving the house by past 7 with the children, and the children are going to school. Around 3 o'clock, they are back to school, and the mother is still in the place of work. Sometimes the mother will close from work around 6 o'clock or around 4 o'clock. Some of Nigeria the way it is now, some of the parents, as they finish from work, they will go to their church program. They will move from the workplace to their church program. And some churches, they have church program from Monday to Monday. Let us not lie about this. Some churches, they have a church program from Monday to Monday. No time. Even some pastors don't even have time for their children too. They are busy preaching here and there for other people's children or for other people. But for their primary member, they don't have time. So sometimes if you complain, pastor's children are this or that, the question will be, do the father have time for their children? Does he know what is happening in the house? Because Nigerian, as a pastor, you will go and struggle. It's not like in the Bible where they will have Levites who are staying in the church doing the things of God, and then people will be bringing things for them. But now, pastors are the one working. They will go and work. If he's a laborer, if a bricklayer, he will go and be carrying block. If he's a farmer, he will go to his farm. Anything, they are doing many things. In fact, those that are working in the office, mostly the private job, that you don't even have time. In fact, government workers is a bit, those ones, they have time small. But if you are in a sensitive unit, you don't even have time. So what are we saying? We have to help our immediate constituency so as to have the best. I believe God will help us to come out of this. Remain blessed. Remember to like this video, share this video, drop your comments, criticize, tell me your opinion, what you don't like about this video and what you like about this video. I deserve to hear it. Thank you.